Hi, I'm Anita from Odisha Jhio Anita's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make for you guys Grilled Tandoori Chicken Recipe. So let's go ahead and we'll prepare the recipe now.
I have taken 3 big chicken pieces and made slit on the chicken pieces so that the marinade can blend inside nicely. Then add 2 tablespoons of Tandoori Chicken Masala Powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Turmeric Powder. Add salt as per taste. Add 1 tablespoon of Coriander Powder. Add half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala Powder. Add 1 cup of Fresh Yougurt. Add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon of food color liquid, but food color is an optional. Mix the food color and allow to marinate for about 5 to 6 hours in the refrigerator.
Take a grill pan, then apply some oil on it. Once grill pan hot, then place the marinated chicken pieces and allow to cook on grill pan for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are done. But in between you need to keep turn the grilled chicken pieces so chicken should cook both the sides very well. Now is almost 20 minutes. Chickens are grilled very well. To bring the smoky flavor, burn the chicken pieces directly on the flame. So here friends, grilled tandoori chickens are ready now.
If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share my channel, and please don't forget to comment below in the box. So meet you soon guys, another new recipe. Till then, thank you. Bye.